The market of digital currencies has been a steady fascination with dealers, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and, all the more critically, so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure for an extremely long period. Going against the norm, cryptographic forms of money have shown a prominently calculable cost development, exhibiting huge center-to-long-haul gains. This multitude of variables have been placed on a fundamental level by one response: the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements, and afterward showed the beginning of Qtum. All the more regularly perused as Qtum, the local token Qtum of the Qtum protocol, is established on the standards of proof of stake, POS, that is famous to be a shrewd agreement open source blockchain stage with a Steam move convention. One can say that it brings the most ideal scenario: Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain. Adding the advantages of DeFi applications, the Qtum stage additionally joins UXO exchange models, integrating the execution of shrewd agreement execution and dApps. Qtum. The quantum calling. With a particular goal of causing brokers to have a solid sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and executed with lightning quick speed, Qtum drafted its own ICO in March 2017. With a charitable increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the early phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token, later it moved to local blockchain being onboarded to mainnet. The steerage at the groundwork of the Qtum protocol is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper University and has made eminent commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, Betchain, Bits Group and MyLink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two fellow benefactors are the CTO and blockchain planner Neil Mahi and lead engineer Jordan Earls. As a lead developer, Stephen Xiaolong Zhu is a lead designer of Qtum starting around 2017, who was recent with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product engineer with a degree in computer vision from the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a first-class section backing the task with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, prime supporter of Augur and IRE and blockchain capital. Qtum roots and expansion. Throughout some undefined time frame, the administration at Qtum understood the limit of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to adjust, making the Qtum token more powerful and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients. Tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related viewpoints concerning confirmation of work system and trouble of interfacing brilliant agreements with genuine applications, Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of unwinding two extraordinary innovations: Account Abstraction Layer, AL, and Decentralized Governance Protocol, DGP. Rising up out of Bitcoin with a shrewd layer, the account abstraction layer incorporates the UXO account layer motivated by Ethereum. It permits clients to fabricate applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and the X86 Virtual Machine. It additionally upholds the I686 guidance set and a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications and gather for Qtum. One more benefit with decentralized governance protocol is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster brilliant agreements like block size and gas expenses, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of miners, stakers, engineers, and Qtum holders inside the whole environment are a vital piece of blockchain administration, taking part through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, redesigns, and emphasis. Qtum price forecasts. 2022 to 2026. MACD pointer reflects blended feeling as the MACD line and signal line are going to cover. Consequently, The coin could exchange a comparative pattern for the close term prior to enlisting any lofty development. The graph has been estimated for Qtum cost in view of its functionalities, dependability, and security. A further impact on Qtum cost should be visible in view of the exchanging or putting exercises by financial backers in the long as well as present moment. How about we investigate the value expectations of this digital currency for the impending years? Qtum Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there is no monstrous unpredictability ahead for the cryptographic money market, Qtum will keep on certifying its situation as one of the significant attractions. As per the ongoing cost developments, verifiable information, and our Qtum estimate, what's to come is brilliant for clients. They ought to put resources into Qtum crypto to procure enormous benefits as it would cross the $9.83 mark toward the finish of 2022. Qtum Price Prediction 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a solid organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception after some time. In view of our Qtum cost forecast information, the crypto could without much of a stretch cross $11.70 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum figure depends on different variables like verifiable information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so forth. Qtum Price Prediction 2024. There are not many hypotheses going ahead for the Qtum crypto gauge. In view of our speculation council, a Qtum value expectation of around $11.37 is determined for 2024. This gauge is absolutely founded on the essentials of Qtum and earlier cost information. According to the estimated cost level, clients ought to put resources into this crypto to acquire robust benefit in the long haul. Qtum Price Prediction 2025. The brains cut the Qtum biological system. Consequently, in view of our long-haul crypto conjecture, Qtum is set to keep on exchanging with enormous energy and effectively cross the value level of $16.40. A bewildering confidence is likewise anticipated for Qtum crypto, essentially because of its non-stop exhibition throughout the long term. Qtum Price Prediction 2026. Dealers can expect that toward the finish of 2026 the reception of Qtum crypto cost would be diminished than the earlier year. The cost of Qtum could reach $13.68 toward the finish of 2026. Is Qtum a good investment? Indeed, Qtum is a wise speculation in spite of it is somewhat new in the crypto space. Heaps of forces to be reckoned with have upheld this task. This venture joins the advantages from being founded on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It holds long-haul procuring potential. Is Qtum safe? In light of